48 Laws of Power by Robert Greene. Let's discuss the law number 40, which says, Despise the free lunch. Previous 39 laws have been already discussed, and you can find their videos in the playlist above. Let's dive into the stories behind this law. First story is of a writer, Aretino. He was from Rome and was a very small but a good writer. But he cannot find a patron who can give a patronage to his work so that he can live his life joyfully. So he took a bold decision and took all his saving along with him and shifted to Venice. In Venice, he made a ritual to go out daily for a walk and give money to the beggars and poor beside the roads. He used to spend money so lavishly on these poor people that slowly he was recognized as a godly figure in Venice. Slowly, his popularity grew and people from all walks of the society used to visit him. People from rich, middle class, royalty, nobility, everyone used to flock to his home to discuss on the topics of religion, politics, arts, crafts, etc. Eventually, he catapulted to the royal family and was a regular visitor to the royal mansion. Thus, a small writer from Rome became a very popular figure in Venice. Next story is from China. In China, we had a premier of Lao whose name was Kung Yu Xiu. He was very fond of fishes and he liked to eat fishes a lot. He ate fishes daily and was very lover of fish and varieties of fish foods. But whenever anyone used to gift him fish, he used to simply refuse it or return it to the owner. He never accepted any fish from anyone. By seeing this, his younger brother one day asked him, "Why do you refuse the fishes which are gifted to you?" On this, Xiu replied that if I accept those fishes, I will be indebted to the giver. So whenever the giver asks for any favor, I have to mend the laws. And if I mend the laws, I may surely lose my premiership. And if I lose my premiership, I will lose all the supplies of fish which I daily eat. And I have to buy those fishes from the market. So it is better to not to accept those fishes which are given as a gift, so as to continue the fresh supply of fishes daily. Lastly, this is the book of which we are talking about, The 48 Laws of Power by Robert Greene. You must buy this book. You can find its link in the description below. It is a very nice book and I am sure that you will love it. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, goodbye. Lastly, I would like to ask you to like and share this video if you found something knowledge-worthy from this video. Also, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button along with the notification bell. Lastly, comment below if anything related to this video has happened with you. Thanks.